What's up guys? How are you? Welcome to my channel. We already know that Nubia Red Magic 5S will be launched in China on July 28 with the latest and the best Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC with more latest specs. The company's CEO had hinted the information first and then it appeared in the company's Weibo account later. Earlier this week we saw some minor renders of the smartphone and now we are here with more news of the launch. The gaming smartphone brand is going to keep up with the recent trend and will launch two new accessories along with the Red Magic 5S on July 28. The two new gadgets are Nubia 120-watt charger and Nubia watch. So first of all we talk about the 120-watt fast charger. Earlier this year in March, ZTE Nubia had announced its 65-watt GaN charger along with a few other accessories at the Nubia Red Magic 5G launch event. The charger was made available for purchase in China just a month after its announcement. Now another GaN charger from the company is set to make its debut next week. Nubia president has confirmed that a new 120-watt GaN 3-port charger will be launched along with the Red Magic 5S smartphone. The Nubia 120-watt GaN charger is a power adapter for a smartphone with 120-watt output capacity that can charge one-third of a 4000 mAh battery in just 3 minutes. This is not official but it will be nearly similar to this rate of charging. The teaser poster showcases the upcoming Nubia 120-watt GaN charger which has two USB-C ports and one USB-A port. It continues with the foldable plug design that we saw on the 65-watt GaN charger from the company. The new 120-watt GaN charger is quite compact in size. The company's executive says that it will come powered by latest gallium nitride chips and has support for extremely fast charging speed. The sleek and elegantly designed charger will be offered in metallic grey color similar to its predecessor. We expect the company to share more details in coming days. Anyways, the launch event is just a few days away. The pricing of the upcoming Nubia 120-watt GaN charger remains unknown, but it will definitely be costlier compared to the 65-watt GaN charger from the company, which is priced at 169 yuan, that converts to $24. This is not the first 120-watt charger we are going to have, but we already have the Oppo 125-watt fast charger, Realme's 125-watt fast charger, and Xiaomi has also its own 120-watt fast charger. So these are the one of the best chargers out there in the market. Gallium nitride GaN is a better alternative to silicon for chargers as it can withstand more power and temperature. The GaN chargers are relatively smaller than the regular high-capacity silicon chargers, making them better in portability. Now coming to the Nubia watch, this poster image has not revealed the full image on the smartwatch, but from the poster it can be seen that the smartwatch will have a very large and foldable screen. Though we do not have any specification of the smartwatch, we are sure that more information will surface in the coming days with the launch date nearing. So what do you guys think about this video? For more news and updates, be sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.